Did you know there's a planet where it rains glass? On HD 189733b, glass storms rage at over 4,300 miles per hour. Imagine being caught in a storm of razor-sharp glass particles. But that's just the beginning. What about hellish planets? Kepler 70b orbits so close to its star that its surface reaches over 12,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Literally, a ball of fire in space. Next, let's talk about black holes. These cosmic monsters can tear apart entire stars and swallow all surrounding light. The phenomenon of spaghettification, where anything that gets too close is stretched to infinity. And then there are rogue black holes. Some scientists believe there are invisible black holes wandering our galaxy. Amazingly, they could pass near us without us even knowing. At the heart of the Milky Way, we have a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius. Behemoth could awaken and devour nearby stars and planets. But that's not all. What about comets and asteroids? In 1994, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 crashed into Jupiter, releasing more energy than millions of nuclear bombs. And some asteroids pass dangerously close to Earth. A significant impact could cause a mass extinction, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. Now, let's delve into neutron stars. These are the remnants of supernovae, incredibly dense and dangerous. A sugar cube-sized piece of neutron star material would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. Imagine something so dense it warps the space around it. These neutron stars can spin incredibly fast, up to 700 times per second. Then there are gamma-ray bursts, the universe's most powerful explosions. A gamma-ray burst can release more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will in its entire lifetime. If one occurred close to Earth, it could strip away our atmosphere. Let's not forget about rogue planets. These are planets that drift through space, not bound to any star. Rogue planets are cold and dark, wandering the galaxy in silence. Now, imagine being on a planet in a solar system that's being torn apart by another star. This scenario, called a stellar flyby, can send planets crashing into their stars or hurtling into deep space. And then there's the eerie silence of space. While we often think of space as empty, it's filled with cosmic radiation that can damage spacecraft and harm astronauts. Solar flares from our own sun can disrupt communications and power grids on Earth. Even the quietest parts of space are teeming with invisible dangers. Let's talk about dark matter next. This mysterious substance makes up about 27% of the universe, but we can't see it or touch it. We only know it exists because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. It's like a ghostly presence that shapes galaxies and holds them together. And what about dark energy? This force is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. If dark energy continues to grow, it could eventually tear galaxies apart in a scenario known as the Big Rip. Some theories suggest that in trillions of years, the universe will end in a heat death, where all stars have burned out, and only black holes and cold, dead remnants remain. These are just some of the scariest phenomena in space. If this intrigued you, stay tuned for our next video about the dangers of comets.